Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to track car location by Google Maps. First of all, you have to open your Google Maps. For example, this is my car location. You have to do this before parking your car. Make sure that, okay? So once you have parked your car, you have to tap on your location. Like your car is on your location right now. I will tap on my location. I will click on save parking. Now once I've done this parking step, now I will go anywhere, go shopping, go buy clothes, go buy anything else. Once I've came back, I don't remember where I have parked my car. So I will open Google Maps and see where is the P sign on the maps. Whether you are far away, you will see the P parking you have parked here sign on your Google Maps. Click on the P parking sign and click on get directions. Once you get directed, then you will redirect it or the Google Maps will give you the directions towards your car. Once you have done your thing, you have reached your car, you can tap on the P location and then tap on more info. And then after that, you have to clear that parking spot so that it doesn't always show on Google Maps forever. And that's how you can track your car location by Google Maps. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.